Hi, I'm Hannah Steves Carney with Rebecca Steves Realty. Welcome to 90 Tucana Drive, Hanwell. This executive home boasts 5 spacious bedrooms and a convenient in-law suite. The front entry hosts a built-in armoire and bench, and the contemporary living room is home to the double-sided fireplace. From the open concept dining room kitchen, enjoy large windows, granite countertops, and floor-to-ceiling cabinetry. Off the kitchen, you have the family room, which leads to the back deck, overlooking the large yard and lovely stream. Let's head upstairs. Upstairs features 5 bedrooms, including the primary, the primary bedroom has a large walk-in closet, an ensuite bath with tile shower and soaker tub. Upstairs also has a large storage room and laundry. And another full bathroom. Off the living room, you have the mudroom, which features a half bath, access to the attached double car garage, and the stairs to the lower level. The lower level can act as more room for this house or an in-law suite, featuring its own bedroom, full bathroom, and kitchenette and dining room. With its own access to the backyard. Thanks for watching. For more information on 90 Tucana Drive, visit FrederictonHomes.com.